An AI support assistant stops, citing its sources. Nobody notices for an hour. This is Agent K. Don't just trust an AI agent. Make it prove every step. It investigates a SigNoz alert, and it is bound by 3 laws enforced in code, not in a prompt. No claim without evidence. No action without a policy gate. No self without telemetry. Across 4 controlled incidents, it fixes 2 and refuses 2, and it explains why every time. The project site walks through the whole idea. The promise up front: don't just trust an AI agent. Make it prove every step. Underneath, a live investigation plays out. An alert fires because the error rate breached its objective. The agent queries SigNoz for failed traces after a deploy, gets back 214 failed spans, then asks for the deployment marker and finds a prompt template changed at 10:02. Code recalibrates the confidence. The policy gate allows a rollback, and recovery is verified. SigNoz is the operating system for that entire investigation. Everything the agent sees, does, and records lives there, reached over the model context protocol. The 3 laws are spelled out with worked examples. So is the safety design. A separate deployer service is the only thing holding Docker access, and the policy gate is plain code you can read and test, with a model deliberately not in the loop. Then the 4 seeded incidents, 2 where a rollback is allowed, and 2 where it is refused, each with the reasoning shown. A FastAPI service answers support questions over Postgres and Vector with local embeddings and a free tier model. OpenTelemetry ships traces, metrics, and logs to SigNoz, installed through Foundry. Agent K reads evidence only through the SigNoz MCP server, and it never holds the Docker socket. A separate deployer sidecar does. That single volume mount is the privilege boundary that keeps the agent inside its sandbox structurally, not by promise. Here is the healthy path. A grounded answer, with the retrieved articles cited underneath. Now we ship a bad prompt template from the console. This is real. It sets the flag, puts live traffic through the service, and fires the alert webhook. Back on the Help Center, an amber banner names the live incident, and the answer is no longer grounded in those documents. The model has been told to ignore them. Agent K picks the alert up. Law 1. Every claim it publishes carries the SigNoz query behind it, and a confidence the code recalibrated. Never the model's own number, and never above 0.95. Law 2. 6 deterministic checks, 0 LLM calls, an allowlist with exactly 1 action. Law 3. The agent's own tokens, duration, and query counts, recorded as telemetry about itself. Now the case that matters. Retrieval latency. A genuine fault, and the model diagnoses it. But there is no deployment marker in the evidence, so the deployment-related check fails, and the gate refuses. A rollback cannot fix an infrastructure problem, and the model does not get a vote. This denial is the whole project. Our first evaluation caught the opposite. The gate had let the model authorize a rollback simply by writing a scenario name in a sentence. We made the check require corroborating telemetry, and the bad approvals disappeared. All of it lands in SigNoz. The service view shows live latency percentiles, request rate, and error percentage for the monitored app, with every operation broken out. Open one request, and you get the full trace. The retrieval, prompt, and model spans, with the database span nested underneath. The whole investigation is one trace too, ending in the policy decision, and the verdict lives in the span attributes, so a denied action is auditable, not buried in a log. The guardrails are real as well. Tighten the token budget and the cost watchdog fires on the same code path, marks the investigation incomplete, and escalates to a human. For controlled incidents. Too safe to fix, too safe to refuse. Reported honestly as 4 out of 4 on 4 controlled scenarios, not as general production accuracy. The model proposes. The code decides. That is the difference between a demo and something you would let near production.